Hello guys. Today we are going to cover the game buzzer. It is made with this circuit's made with ATTINY 85, as you can see here. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Pin 1 is, pin 1's here, and this is the top right here. Okay, so it's a really simple circuit. It's got two push buttons. Here and here. Button 1's down here, button 2's up here. Button 1 is connected to this port right here, which is digital pin 0. You can see it's PB0 or pin number 5 on ATTINY, but it's actually digital pin 0. You'll need that for coding. Button number 2 is also set up for, it's got a pull down resistor so that when you press the button it will go high, and that one is registered here. Button number digital pin 2. The way it's wired, button 2 is connected to programmed for LED 2, which is the output for LED 2 is digital pin 1, and then the output for button number 1, if the player presses it first, is connected to digital pin 4. The buzzer itself, which is a piezo buzzer, is connected to digital pin 3. Alright, so let's go into the code a little bit here. First we have to define all the buttons and the pins. Button 1 was digital pin 0, button 2 is digital pin 2, buzzer is digital pin 3, LED 1 for button 1 was digital pin 4, LED 2 was digital pin 1. You can actually set how much time you want each player gets to answer a question. You just take this number divided by 2, and that's the number of seconds. As soon as the player presses the button, that's how many seconds they get to answer it, like immediately. So set it for 20, so divide that by 2, you get 10 seconds to answer a question. The setup loop, it sets all of the pins. The first 2 will be inputs, the rest will be outputs. You delay it for 1 second so that you don't catch any stray button presses. Next, the get input function, that's the function that will pull the button presses and then spit out the results. So if 1 and 2 are equal, so that means it's either both players press the button at the same time, or it's currently at 0. It'll just return 0, but if it's player 1, it returns 1, player 2 returns 2. Next is the blink buzz function. Basically, this function will figure out which action to take and which LED to shine or blink. So if player 1 presses it first, then it'll set it as LED 1. If player 2, then it'll set it as LED 2. It's going to go in and loop the LED lights, and then when it's done, it'll set the buzzer off, and then the main function basically gets the inputs and then sends it to blink buzz, and then that's it, starts returning. So here we have the circuit. Everything is already set up. Button number 1 is here, button number 2 is right here. Let's plug it in and give it a try. Alright, wait a second because it takes a second to load, and then we'll try to see if this works. Alright, that means it's blinking. 10 seconds should go by, and then it should buzz. Alright, okay, let's give this a try. Okay, Cora, I'm gonna ask a question. Here, hold this button. Hold this button. Yeah. Oh, don't press it yet. Okay, let go. Oh, yeah, you could just do it like this. Hold it like this. Get ready to press it, okay? Get ready to press it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna ask a question, then whoever presses the button first gets the answer, okay? Okay. What is 2 plus 2? If you know the answer, press the button.
4.
No, press the button first. Press it. Okay, good job. That's good. Yeah, 4 is right, but I guess we will update the. You can update it. Press. Maybe we need like a third button to press so that it cancels out if they get the question correct less than 10 seconds. Okay, let's try another question. What Pikmin color? What color Pikmin can breathe underwater?
Blue.
You have to press the button. I pressed it first.
Blue.
Blue. Yes. Okay, you ask a question. Wait till it buzz, and then you will ask a question. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Ask a question and see who pressed button first. Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. What is 4 and 5?
9.
No.
Oh man. Okay. What? Okay. You go ahead. Answer it. What's the answer?
Okay. What color pigment to fight the fire one?
Red.
Good.
Okay. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you like, then please like and subscribe. Bye. Go ahead. Ask a question.
Which color pigment can breathe on the waters?
I pressed it first, so blue.
Yes.
See, my light is blinking. Okay. All right. Next question. Go ahead. Ask a question and see who pressed first.
Okay. Which color to kill Batissi?
I don't know. If you know, press the button.
It's yellow.
Oh, yellow. Darn.
Yeah. Yellow pigment.
Darn.
Yellow pigment can do something. Just fight the Batissi. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I ask the next question.
Okay.
What is Pikmin the most scared of? What monster?
Boys.
You have to press the button first.
Underwater froggies.
I don't know. I don't know.
You can press it. Say I will press it.
I know because you already pressed it. Darn it. Okay, you go ahead. Ask a question.
Okay. What color pigment to fight the smoke?
Oh, I pressed the button. The white Pikmin.
Yes, with red eyes.
Oh, nice! Yay! I got it. Okay, go ahead. You ask a question. Oh, is it my turn to ask a question?
Yes.
Okay. How tall are Pikmin?
So,
You have to press the button. How tall?
stop.
Oh, you have to give me a number. How tall is that?
It's big.
Okay, that's good.